Hello, Education 570. Welcome to our course here this semester. My name is Josh Bauer, and I will be your course instructor. I also am the head of school at Sioux Center Christian School in Sioux Center, Iowa. I'm looking forward to learning with you and working through teaching, learning, and with technology. So what does that look like? How do we best use the technology tool to improve teaching and to improve learning? I wanted to highlight some of the overview of the course today, and also we'll be starting with our first section, Module 1. So we'll go ahead and check out. I've got my faculty contact here. You can learn more about me here, and email is probably the easiest way to connect with me. My LinkedIn here is here if you really would like to learn more. The course information is another place that you should be looking already. The syllabus is here. And there's other helpful information related to the course under here. Course content is where you'll be heading most often to get started with your modules. And then as you go down, you'll see there's a spot for discussions. We're not doing groups or journals, so those would not fit. And then my grades would be there as well. So let's go ahead and head into Module 1, Teaching with Technology. Every week I hope to have a video like this to do an overview introduction of the module. They will be located on this first intro page, so you can be looking for that. So for this first week, we are going to describe connections between research and technology, discuss current and desired applications of tech in your teaching, and create an online presentation regarding professional goals for tech for yourself. That's what we're going to check out. Module 1, Introduction. You can read through this page and it will give you a nice introduction to what we're trying to accomplish in Module 1. There's good pictures even there, and it gives you kind of a follow through, a kind of information on what the module is all about. And so each unit will have one of those as well. And then the next section is required reading. It's going to talk through what you need to read for the week. So you see you've got some videos to watch, some websites to check out, and then reading at least 2 of these articles. The discussion, the first thing. The goal of this post is to get us thinking about how and why we use technology and start connecting our practices to research. So your initial post has 2 parts for this one. There's a part 1 here and a part 2, and then as you engage with your peers, provide thoughtful suggestions on their goals. Share your own experience as it relates to your peer goals and the teaching and the readings. Okay. The next discussion, learning to teach and learn with tech involves using tech, and so we're going to share some examples. The first one is going to be using a tool of your choice. You're going to create an online presentation that demonstrates your tech skills while providing us an introduction. Here's some tools that you could choose to use. Include the following information. It's a show and tell, but don't overdo it. Just keep it simple, and then doing some responses as well. The last thing for this week is reviewing the final project requirements, and you can review that final project requirement document in the assignment guidelines section in the course. So remember where that is. If we go down here, assignment guidelines and rubrics, this is a link to the folder. If you click to launch it, you've got your assignment guidelines and rubrics, final project. Okay, so make sure that you read over that this week as well. Let's go back to our content. And one other thing I wanted to show you is this Questions Anyone. This is a place where you can post questions that you might have. It's a discussion forum, so everyone will see the question and my answers, but it might be a helpful place for you to put your questions. Okay, so for this week we have readings, we've got a discussion here, another discussion, and reviewing the final project requirements. As always, if you have any questions, make sure you shoot me an email. I'll be happy to help. Looking forward to working with you this semester, and here's to a great start.